Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Varteta Learning Platform, and in this video of arrays for TypeScript we are just going to discuss about like how we can declare an array and how we can use the push method to put the values in that array, right? So let me just show you an example, and in the next video you will see like how we can apply the same thing for the two-dimensional arrays. So let me show you. So let me first write a function use push with array. So today I'm going to tell you about the single dimensional array. So let me just first declare a single dimensional array. So it's like let a number, and if you have to initialize an array, this is the way you need to initialize the array, just simply a subscript for single dimensional array. And now I want to put some numbers in this array. Okay, so let me put some values using the push method. So a dot push 1, then a dot push 2, then a dot push 3, something like that, a dot push 4. So these are the kind of values that you can put, and sometimes you can also have some you can read it from the console as well. We will see that how we can read the values from the console, how we can provide it, and how to get it from the other sources of information. Basically it's a TypeScript, so just for the getting the values from the console, that may be something else that may not be needed for you to work on, but yes, that can be done in later on. We will see that later on how we can do that, but here you just need to understand that this is one of the methods, push method, using which you can put the data in a single dimensional or in a two-dimensional array. Okay, so we are looking into the single dimensional array. So we have put the values here. Suppose we want to find out the sum of all these values that I have put in this array. So let me just declare another value, another variable sum, and type is number and initialize it with 0. And now let me just run the loop for let I is equal to I number is equal to 0, I is less than a dot length, and then I plus plus. So this is the way we can run this loop, and there is like sum is equal to sum plus a I. Okay, so this will be the sum, and we can just print it here, console.log. The sum is plus sum. Okay, so let me just call this function use push with array. So this is the push method that I have called, and let's see how it behaves. Let me open the terminal and go to the location where I have placed my code. So it's C TypeScript, and it's cleared the screen, and now let me just compile it. After compilation, let us find out this sum. So it should become like 336 plus 4 10. It should come like 10, right? Yes, the sum is 10. So this was just an example just to show you that push is also a method that can be used. So this thing you can use, and in the next video you will see that how you can use the push method with the two-dimensional arrays. So till then, have a nice day and bye-bye.